What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and in today's video I will be showing you how to replace the headlights for a 2015 Nissan Rogue. This should apply to a 2014, 2015, 2016, all the way to 2020 models. Follow me, let's go. First thing you do is take off the screws underneath that are holding the fender trim to the bumper. Then you gently pry open with a flathead screwdriver from the sides. There are plastic clips holding it up, so be very careful not to break them. There is one screw underneath the trim holding the fender to the bumper. Take it off as well. Take off these clips holding the front bumper to the radiator support, and do the same thing you did on the driver's side to the passenger side. It's that simple. Just watch. This is actually my auntie's car. She's more like a mom to me since my mom passed when I was younger. She ran into a deer on her way home. Luckily, the accident was minor. Neither her or the deer were hurt. The only casualty was the broken headlights and the tabs. I told Auntie I got her. Got you, Auntie. Hope she likes this video when I send it to her. The headlights are held on by 4 screws and 1 plastic clip. 2 screws at the top, 1 on the side that bolts to the fender, and the last screw holding the tab at the bottom. If you found this video very informative and helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe with notifications turned on for more content like this one. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.